Hi, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I will explain how to hide toxic comments on YouTube. To do this, I'm going to use a free Chrome extension called Tune. It is an extension by Google that uses AI to identify and hide the various types of toxic comments on YouTube videos. You can get this extension from the Chrome Web Store using the link provided in the description below. Once installed, sign in to the extension using your Google account. Upon sign in, you can tune the extension as per your needs to filter out and hide the toxic comments. This extension gives you a knob to adjust the comment toxicity level. You can rotate it around to check all the available levels and set it wherever you find it best suited for your needs. Below the knob, there is a settings button that gives you two sections, one to select platforms where you want to use this extension to hide toxic comments, and another is to customize the toxic filters. With these options, you can tune this extension to hide the toxic comments on YouTube. This extension is experimental, it could miss some toxic comments and might incorrectly hide some non-toxic comments. But, at least, having an option to detox the YouTube comments is far better than not having one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.